Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I want to show you my cult beauty order. I ordered this a couple of days ago. There was a few essentials I needed a top up of, and then I added in a few extras. So I thought I'd show you what I got. So first of all, this may seem bonkers, but I got 3 of these. This is the Megababe Rosy Pits deodorant. I really like it. This year I decided to try and switch over to natural deodorant, which is something I've been wanting to do for ages, but I've just never found the natural deodorant that works for me. I've often found they work for like a week and then they make me feel really sweaty and smelly, and I just can't stick to a natural deodorant. So I really tried hard to try loads of different ones out and see how I get on. And this by far is the winner. It's Rosy Pits, so it smells like roses. It's super pretty. It works every single day. I think I have used 4 sticks of it so far, so I feel really confident that it's not just something that's worked for a little bit and then will stop working. I just really like it. It smells good. It works. It doesn't leave my skin sore. Sometimes natural deodorants can be quite reactive and irritant. This is not. This is brilliant. So this is Rosy Pits by Megababe. Absolutely love it. And that is my first thing, which I like so much. I bought 3 of them. And then this is also by Megababe. This is their Thigh Rescue Anti-Chafe Friction Stick. I don't know what it's called, but it's really, really good. It basically stops chub rub. You put it on your inner thighs. I'm just going to put it here. And it's just like a clear, balmy thing which just makes your thighs slip together. So you don't get any friction, you don't get any chub rub. It's very natural, it's very lovely to wear, it's completely unfragranced, and yeah, it stops you from getting chub rub. You might have to apply it, I would say maybe a couple of times a day, but it really, really, really does work. And I say this as somebody who has struggled through chub rub for many years. So this is amazing, can't recommend it enough. And then this was a little bit of a wild card. I was going to buy either Guerlain's liquid eyeliner or roller liner by Benefit, because I think they're both brilliant, but this had such good reviews I went for it, which is not like me. I normally stick to my tried and true, but and then buy 3 of them. But yeah, I give it a go. So it's Makeup Forever. It wasn't cheap, it was like £18, but it had incredible reviews, so I thought I'd go for it. And if I'm disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be really peed off, because for £18 I expect a goddamn good eyeliner. Let's swatch. Oh, that is a black. You know when you're like, that is a black. I'll give it a go. I'll do a full review if I like it, or if I have time. But yeah, it was £18, which was quite a lot, but I went for it anyway because I needed a new eyeliner, and those reviews, they got me, they worked. And then finally, these are both by Caudalie. I actually already have these, but I bought a second version of each because it's a brilliant product. So this is the Caudalie SPF 50, and it is a brilliant spray on SPF. Let me spritz it on. It's bloody brilliant, this stuff. It just sprays on, you rub it in. It smells really good. It's non-sticky, it's non-greasy. It just, I don't know, it smells like sun cream in the best possible way. It's really easy to apply, no white cast on there, and it works. I have never been failed by it, and it's one of the best sun creams, I think, for like comfort. So I got that. I already have one this summer, but I got a second one, so that I got one for like, I don't know, different handbags, or like one for my bag, one for Mary's bag, one for the car, one for the house. You just can't have too many sun creams. And then this is the on-the-go version, which is basically a stick, and you can wear it like with or without makeup. You can wear it on top of makeup, under makeup. It's literally a stick, and you can kind of use it for like on-the-go like top-ups and just smear it all over your face. Doesn't really have a fragrance, but yeah, it just works. And again, it's really comfortable. It does leave you with a bit of a glassy skin look, so if you don't like a glassy skin look, you may not like this, but I just think it's brilliant. And I really like it for Mary as well, because I can just literally like swatch it on her arms and boom, she's done too. So that is what I got from Cult Beauty. I hope you like. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions about any of the products, let me know, and I will put my shopping links below. And if I've got any discount codes, I'll pop them in too, because I think I think I've got a discount code, but I can't remember it off the top of my head. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.